And I will open my cam here. Okay. Now, guys, we know that in next, guys, wait, I want to just fix my internet connection. Just wait a minute. Okay, guys, now I think it's good. Now we know that in Sunday, guys, we have exam, right? Now, as we did in the quiz, our questions will be multiple choice. Multiple choice, okay? Now, multiple choice, we have a question here, and here we have 4 choices. What you will do, guys, you will prepare a paper beside you and a pencil. And you will read the question very well, you understand the question, solve the question very well, okay? Then solve the question very well. Then you will find the final answer and come here slowly and carefully and select your answer very slowly, guys. Do not be in rush, because sometimes the answers are kind of similar sometimes, okay? So you need to select your answer slowly and carefully. This is how about the exam. The lessons of the exam, guys, are chapter 1, all of chapter 1, all of chapter 1. And in chapter 2, guys, we took until now lesson 1, 3, we skipped 2, right? 4 and 5. Today, the lesson of the 5. 5 is not included, guys. 5 is not included. So, the first lesson, guys, it was a prime factorization. The second lesson, it was what? Exponents. The third lesson, it was what? The third lesson, yesterday, multiplication patterns, right? These are wanted in chapter 2, plus the whole lessons of chapter 1. This is your exam in Sunday, inshallah. So, study very well at the weekend, prepare yourself, and try to understand all the ideas, all the questions, so you will get full mark, inshallah, all of you. Okay, now, Ziad, yes? Yes, Ziad.
Sir, that mean it will be like the last quiz.
Yeah,
Exam.
similar. Yeah. That's why we made previous quiz, guys, so you get used to how to enter the exam, how to deal with it, how to, as experience.
Okay.
Ahmed.
Mister, I came late. I came 5 seconds late.
5 seconds. Are you sure?
Yes.
You counted them.
No, 4.
4. You counted 4 seconds. Okay. We said we have exam on Sunday. You know that, and the exam will be multiple choice, right?
Yes.
And here we have the wanted material, chapter 1 and chapter 2, lessons 1 with 3 or 4. The lesson of today, problem solving, is not wanted. The lesson of today is not included in the exam, okay? We said that. Let's, guys, revise together. CR7, put your name so I will talk with you. Let's, guys, revise what we did in the second chapter until now, the second chapter. The first thing we did it, guys, is a prime factorization. The first thing we did in chapter 2 is a prime factorization. How we make a prime factorization for any number, right? We said we will use timetable. We will depend in our work always in timetable, guys. In timetable, for example, if you want to write prime factorization for the number, let's see, 100. So you will search about 2 numbers. If you multiply them, you get 100, like 10 by 10, or 50 by 2, or 25 by 4, or 20 by 5. You have a lot of choices. For any 2 numbers, if you multiply them, you get 100. We will use the easiest one, 10 by 10. Now, can we do more for the 10? Yes, 2 by 5. Up. Can we do more for the 2? We said no, because it has only 2 by 1. So we put what? Circle for the 2 and the 5. For the 10 here also 2 by 5, also the same. Now, we'll go back to the 100 and put equal and multiply the numbers in the circles. 2 times 5 times 2 times 5. This we call it prime factorization. Prime factorization. In the second lesson, we took what? Exponents. We took exponents and powers. We said that if, so we have something like this, 2 to the power 3. How we find it? We multiply the 2 with itself, how many times? As the exponent said. 2 by 2 by 2 is 8. 8. Now, how we multiply? We multiply the first two numbers, then take the answer and multiply with the third one to get the answer, right? Now, we took another idea, like the 10 power 3. We said 10 power 3, no need to make 10 by 10 by 10. No need. You can put 1 and put 3 zeros. Yesterday work, right? Type. This is the second idea. The third idea, yesterday, we said we can write the number in a prime factorization and exponents. We can write the number in a prime factorization and exponents. Means, if the question wants the prime factorization only, we do this only. If the question wants prime factorization and exponents, look how I'll do it. For example, the number 56. First, we make a prime factorization. 56 is 7 by 8. The 7, we cannot do more. The 8, 2 by 4. The 2, we cannot do more. The 4, 2 by 2, and circles. Now we write the prime factorization. Equals 7 times 2 times 2 times 2, right? This is what we call it, prime factorization, right? Now, if I want to express it in exponents also, I will put another equal. We took this idea, I think, yesterday. Now, the 7 comes down, or the day before. The 7 comes down because we have only one 7. And how many 2's we have here? 3 2's. We make them what? Exponent.
Exponent.
Multiply 2. How many 2's we have?
3.
So, if the question wants the prime factorization and exponents together, we do this. If the question wants the prime factorization only, we do this only. See? It's easy. Yesterday also we took multiplication patterns, right? We said how we multiply 200, multiply 80,000. We multiply the number with the number, 16. Then how many zeros we have? 6 zeros. We bought 6 zeros. Easy. Easy. And if we multiply with 10, 2 multiply 10 to the power 5, we said 2 by 1, 2. And how many zeros we bought? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These, most of the ideas we took in the second chapter. صح?
Yes.
Good boys. Now, hope you understand these ideas, guys. You understand them very well, so you can do the exam very well, inshallah, in the next Sunday. Now, let's move to our lesson. Ahmed Muhammad, yes. Ahmed. Ahmed. كمان أحمد.
مستر
أحمد.
امتحان نص السنة؟
إحنا بنص السنة؟
لا.
How it will be the mid-year if we are not in the mid-year?
Okay.
See? It's not. It's exam. The first exam. عادي for your marks. Normal exam. It's the first time you will take exam.
I understand.
Well, I'm not in the mid-year, mister. Hope that we get vacation and go just to sleep and eat, right? That's all what we want. Right. Now let's go to our lesson, problem solving. Let's do to our lesson, problem solving. Remove your hand, Ahmed Muhammad. We are on problem solving, guys. Page. Wait.
107.
Page 107. Yeah. We are on page 107. We will do question 1, and Ziad will read, and all of you will read with us. Why, guys? Because the problem solving lesson, guys, if you don't read the question very well, do not understand the question very well, you won't answer. So you need to read, understand, then answer. Okay? Yalla read ya Ziad.
Solve each problem by making a table. Bestie is saving to buy a bird cage. She saved $1 the first week, $3 the second week, $9 the third week, and so on. How much money will she save in 5 weeks?
But look here. In the first week, she saved how many dollars? $1. In the second week, she saved $3. In the third week, she saved $9, right? They want
Yeah.
how much she will save, in how many weeks?
5.
In 5 weeks. They gave how much she saved in the first 3 weeks. Now what we will do, we need to know how many she will save in the 4th and the 5th, then add the money together to see how much she will save in the whole 5 weeks, right?
Yes.
Right. Now, let's do our pattern. Who can tell me how the 1 becomes a 3? How the 1, what I need to do for the 1 to be 3? Kareem Yasser. Kareem. Muhannad.
Yes.
How the 1 becomes a 3? Guys,
You
all of you
multiply
look here, because if you understand this, you will understand the whole question. Yalla. How the 1 becomes a 3?
We will multiply with 3.
We multiply with a 3. But can we add 2?
No.
No, we can. 1 plus 2, how much? 3, right? Well,
3. Yes.
3. But, if you add 2 to the 3, you get 9?
No.
No. So we cannot use the addition. We will stick with what?
The
Multiplication.
With
multiplication.
multiplication. 1 multiplied 3 is?
3.
A 3 multiplied 3 is?
9.
9. So, Muhammad said, if you multiply the 1 by 3, you got a 3. If you multiply the 3 with a 3, you got 9. Who can tell me what's the next number should be in the 4th week?
27.
No, 27. Yes, 27. How we get the 27? We will do the same. What we call this, guys? We call it
Pattern.
pattern. Pattern means something repeatable. We said that yesterday, right? Now, times the 3, times the 3, times the 3, times the 3 forever. 9 by 3 is a 27. 27 by 3 also. Do multiplication. It will be 81. 81. So, in the first week, $1. In the second week, $3. In the third week, $9. In the fourth week, $27.
27.
In the fifth week, $81. The question wants how much she will save in whole weeks. What we will do for these numbers, we will add them. So 1 plus 3 plus 9 plus 27 plus 81 equal.
Mr.
Add these numbers. It will be 121 what?
dollars.
Copy. Now all of you, copy this question. All of you, copy the whole, everything, the whole. Yalla, I will give you time, don't worry. And make these guys, multiply 3, make these so you understand what we are doing here. Yalla, good boys. Sorry guys, wait. Okay. Yalla, copy guys, copy. Copy very well. Now, if you don't understand this question, guys, put your hand. If you understand it, remove your hand. Kareem Yasser. Kareem. طيب. Kareem, talk يا Kareem. يلا. I unmute you many times.
It didn't open for me the mic.
طيب يلا, it's okay. Talk. Do you understand this question?
Yes.
طيب, why you are raising your hand? يلا, what you want?
I want to answer the next question.
طيب, stay with us, Kareem, so I will read the next question. يلا, stay with us. Else. محمد عبد الرحمن. محمد. Muhammad, I tried to unmute you. What happened?
Yeah,
Yes.
mister.
Talk.
I don't understand.
What you didn't understand?
The whole question.
طيب, in the first week, how much she will save, يا عبد محمد? In the first week, how much she will save?
I don't understand the question.
طب read the question يا مستر. Why you don't, what you don't, read the question طيب.
In the first week, I will have
$1. In the second week,
I will have
$3. Third week, $9. From
Yeah.
where we get these numbers? From the question. They wrote that in the question. Okay?
Okay.
They want how much she will save in the 5 weeks. Okay? The first 3 weeks, we know them. We need to know the other 2 weeks. Got it?
Yeah.
Now, how the 1 becomes a 3? By multiply with the 3. But if you do the same for the 3, 3 times the 3, you get what? 9. Do the same for the 9, you get what? 27. Do the same for the 27, you get what? 81.
Oh, 81.
The first week, we have $1. In the second week, $3. In the third week, $9. In the fourth week, $27. In the fifth week, $81. In the total of them, we what?
1 plus 3 plus
We add
1
them.
plus. Yeah.
See, you understand it now?
Yes.
Good boy. Excellent boy. طب Kareem, I think we finished now, guys. We finished. Yalla, Kareem, read the question 2.
Ken Dal is planning to buy a laptop for $1,200. Each month, she doubles the amount she saved the previous month.
Wait, Kareem. What's the meaning of the word doubled? شو يعني doubled? Doubled. What's the meaning of the doubled? Huh? Who can tell me? Double. شو يعني double?
It
عمر
means
عدنان. عمر عدنان. عمر.
Double means times 2.
Means we multiply with
2.
multiply by 2. Excellent. So if the first number 4 If we double it, how much it will be? 8. Double 16. Double 32. Double 64. Double 128. Double 156. Double 200. I don't know how much. So we multiply with 2, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So the word double means multiply with 2. Continue, ya Kareem.
Double the amount she saved the previous month. If she saves the $20 the first month, in how many months will Kendall have enough money to buy the laptop?
Good. Now we will keep doubling it until we get this price. So she can buy the laptop, right? But in the first month, she has $1. But in the second month, what we will do, we said we double the first month, means multiply with 2, like this. Now 1 multiply 2, 2. طبعا dollars, we are talking about money here. طب in the third month,
4.
hello, she will do 4 by multiplying the 2 with 2. In the fourth month,
6.
now 4 times 2 is 8. Multiply with 2. In the fifth month,
10.
but I read the question again. If she said, oh, no, not $1. Sorry. In the first month, how much she will save, ya mister?
$20.
20. Why you said 1? Oh, yeah. 20 multiply to 40. 40 multiply to 60. 60 multiply to
Mister, it is 80, 80, not 60.
Oh, see? I was testing you. It is 80. 80 times 2, 160. Now 160 times 2, 320. Okay, guys? Now, until now, if you add these numbers, we won't get the 1,200. So we need to do more. Now, 320 multiply 2 also, it will be $640. This is in the 6th month. Now let's stop and check if the total money here, she can use them to buy the laptop or not. Let's add the numbers. 20 with 40, 60 with 80, 140, 140 with 160, 300, 320, 640. The total of these numbers, guys, is $1,280. If you add these numbers, the total this. Right. Now she has this money after 6 months. Can she buy the laptop or she cannot buy the laptop?
She can.
Let me check another student. Guys, I want new students. Why only 3 or 4 students only raising their hands? New students, guys, where are you down? Where are you guys? Where are you? What you are doing? Brahim Atiyah, where are you? Talk. Only 3 students all the period? Why? Brahim.
What?
Brahim.
What?
Can she buy the laptop for this money or she cannot buy the laptop?
She can buy it.
He can buy. Why?
More than enough money.
Because this number is more than this money is enough more than this money, right? She can buy the laptop and she still has $80. تروح مصرف فيهم تروح على المول صح ولا لا؟ So how many months she need to buy the laptop?
6 months.
6 months she need, but how we get this? We add the numbers, guys. We bought 20 plus 40 plus 80 plus 160 plus 320 plus 640 This is equal $1,280. نقول she needs she needs 6 months. Now I want you to copy all of this question in your book. يلا شوف. Copy guys, copy. Copy very well. يلا شوف. If you don't understand the question, guys, put your hand. If you do understand it, remove your hands, please. يلا, I have Ziad or Kinan. Ziad,
Hello, Mr.
what's your question?
I don't have a question. I
What,
was
Ziad, what I said, yes, Ziad, what I said.
what?
شو حكيت أنا؟ إيش حكيت زياد أنا؟ What I said يا مستر, tell me.
You said write this. I write it.
لا, after that, I said if you don't have the questions, remove your hand. If you have a question, keep your hand. And you kept it, right?
Yeah.
Why? And now you tell me that I know, mister, I don't have questions. How?
Because I was want to answer this question.
يا مستر طيب زياد ماشي اوكي ماشي حبيبي يلا. Now we don't have any hands, means all of you understand this question. طيب good. يلا copyright. Copy this. يلا. زيد ضياء. زيد ضياء. He put his hand in, he removed it. So we did the question 1 and the question 2. Okay, guys? طيب. طيب. Let's do the third question, which is a question 3. Question 3. يلا. Together. Question 3 together. طيب. يلا, I want some help. I want some help. Who can read? يلا. يحيى.
Yes, Mr.
Read يا يحيى.
Mrs. Pian's yearly salary is $42,000 and increases $2,000 per year. Mr. Pian's yearly salary is $37,000 and increases $3,000 per year. In how many years will Mr. and Mrs. Pian make the same salary? Explain how you use a table to solve.
Good. Now look here, guys. I made a table. Here, Mr. Biant and here Missipient, his wife, okay? Now let's read the question again. Mr. Piant or Miss Piant, sorry, yearly is $42,000, increases 2,000 per year, and Mr. Piant's yearly salary 37,000 increases 3,000 per year. In how many years they will have the same salary? But let's start with year one. Here Miss and here Mr. And here I will put, guys, the number of the years. Year one. Who can tell me in year one what's the salary of Mr. Piant will be and Mr. Piant will be? Huh? Ahmed Aysar.
Yes, mister.
Mr. Piant in the Miss Piant in the first year, what's her salary will be?
40.
She has 42,000 and 2,000. It will be how much?
And increasing 2,000.
44,000, right?
Yeah, right.
42 plus 2, how much? 44. But Mr. Piant, who can tell me, Mr. Piant, how much his salary will be? طبعا he had 37,000 and increased with 3,000. What it will be here, the first year?
Equal 40,000.
40,000. 40,000. So here I add 2,000, here I add 3,000. In the second year, guys, I add 2 here, it will be 46,000. And here add 3, 43,000. In the third year, here will be 48,000. And here will be 46,000. In the fourth year, here will be 50,000. And here will be 49,000, right? In the fifth year, and focus here, 52,000. 49 plus 3.
Equal 52,000.
They have what? They have the same price, the same salary, sorry. So after 5 years, here we will have the same price. So how many years they will need? They need 5 years to have the same salary. This is a question 3, guys. Copy it, please. Question 3. Copy it very well. بسرعة. You have 2 minutes only, guys. Try to copy it fast, please. Try to copy it fast. We have only 1 or 2 minutes. Oh no, or we have more, I think. I don't know. يلا.
Mister, we have 4 minutes.
4 minutes, يلا. Okay. يلا, we have 4 minutes, guys. Try to finish the table. Here, Miss Piant. Here, Mr. Piant. 44,000. We added 2, 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, 3, 3. After 5 years, we have the same salary. So your answer will be 5 years. 5 years, sorry. يلا. Okay, guys, that's all for today. Try to do as much as you can from the homework. Send it in my Classera. Study very well, guys. Study very well for your exam. Hope you get all of you full marks. Thank you so much. Abdurrahman, you can stop it.
See you, Mr. Bye.